Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a box plot using the Seaborn package in Python. So we'll be using the Python visual to create the box plot. Let's start. So I've got this data here with me which gives me the sales amount by calendar year, and we'll try to convert that into a box plot. So I'll just go back to report. I'll just click on that. At the moment this is on focus mode, and I'll just do a Control-C, Control-V on this to create a copy of this table. And then I'll click on the Python visuals. So what it will essentially do is it will this table had sales amount and calendar year, you can see on the right. So it will create a data set and import sales amount and calendar into that data set, and then it will just drop the duplicates and provide the data set to me. So I'll import the libraries I need. I'll import matplotlib, pyplot, and I will also import Seaborn, and then we'll just create the box plot. Another note is that I'll upload this file to GitHub and leave a link to the file in the video notes, so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me, or do the tutorial by yourself, whatever works. So we'll import the package matplotlib, and then we'll import and now we need to do is we need to create the plot. So we'll just say box plot is equal to SNS dot, and then we need to provide what the x-axis and the y-axis are. So we'll just say y-axis is equal to sales amount. So I'll just put this in single quotes, and then we'll say x-axis equals to the calendar year, and I think, and then we'll just specify, so we need to put this into quotes as well, and then we'll say data is equal to data set, and then so that's about it. That's all you need to displace, and then we'll just do plt.show, and we'll run the package. And you can see that it's fairly squished, like it's let's go and have a look on the right hand side, and if I go on the right hand side, it shows me the sales amount is on summarize. So we'll just need to change it to don't summarize option, and you can see that it's created the box plot for us, and I'll just put this into the focus mode. So you can see that it's created that box plot for us using the Seaborn package. So in this video, we've learned how to create a box plot using Seaborn, and we've put that into the Python visual, and we've used the Python visual in Power BI to visualize it. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do let me know if you would like me to take any other specific package. Do like my videos and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.